So in this video today, we're going to be springing into Easter. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm going to be making 2 DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting out here with a zip tie from the Dollar Tree and this ribbon that I purchased from there. We're going to start out by making a bow. Now what I'm doing here is I'm taking the bow, deciding what the length of the bow is before I fold over. We're going to fold over till all of the ribbon is used up, then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so once you're done, you want to grab the scissors and you want to create a slit in the center, one on one side, one on the other. Then we get the zip tie and secure that in place. We start proofing everything up. We want to dovetail the ends, and so that's what I'm doing here. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels, and I will be listing those down below in the description box. Right, so here we have a skewer, and what we want to do is use the sharp part and glue it to the back of that bow, because we're going to be using this as a bow pick to put in a floral arrangement. Now, while we're letting that set, we're moving on over to this part here, which is one of the foam bunnies that the Dollar Tree is carrying. So we're going to start out painting the bunny. Now I got this paint from the Crafter Square section of the Dollar Tree, and I believe it's called Rich Art. This is a very vibrant color. It's very pigmented as well. So this is a good buy. So these are the two bows that I created with that pick. I'm going to be using this bow tie bow to put inside of the bunny. Now during the fall time, I picked up these little mini topiaries, and they're probably tabletop topiaries, very small, and they're so adorable. We're not going to be using the pumpkin part on the top. We're just going to be using the middle and the bottom. So I chose to use this yellow and this lavender color. Both of them are apple barrel, and I purchased that at Walmart. We're going to go ahead and paint each of those with those colors. Okay, so I did give these 2 coats, and now it's time to hot glue them together. right, so now it's time to glue the bunny. This is like my favorite part. It looks absolutely amazing. So this looks absolutely adorable, guys. Let's move on over to the next project. So this bow came out absolutely adorable, don't you think? Now I have a DIY vase that I made with pearls with thrifted items. This is a beautiful vase, guys. And of course, we're going to be using some mini roses and some tulips to place inside of the vase, and then we'll put in the pick last. So these two items came out absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Bye.